Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Luxy Wishes. Today I am going to unwrap, explain and show you my recent refurbishment of my Ostrich bag. The company I chose was Recolab and this is how I received it back. So let's unwrap.
Twice with the invitation, you're out there waiting with your hazard lights, caught me by surprise. So you meant just what you said when you sent the text. You press send, not intoxicated. No, you weren't drunk or you designated. Got your car parked and I'm glad you made it.
You will have seen the before shots and the repiping is really good. Yes, it's perfectly repiped. And okay, the chrome has still got a little bit of a mark on it. You can see in the camera. You can see that. I was hoping that would be polished back to a perfect shine. But the piping looks perfect. The clasp is the only thing. Let's have a look inside. Okay, still got quite a few marks on the inside. This is my Prada wallet. I was actually thinking that I might buy an insert for it now so that it will sit and I'll be able to put things in it. So maybe an insert, even though I've got the divider there, I might have to get two insert. If anyone knows what I can do in this situation, let me know. It still has a little bit of a musty smell about it, which I was hoping was going to go, but I did try a few things like bicarb soda in it and that didn't work, and I was hoping that this company would have a way of removing that musty smell, but it still has quite a musty smell about it. So yeah, it's definitely usable now, and there's been a really nice job done of the piping. It's perfect and I'm very happy with that. Not as happy with the polishing of the metal on the clasp, and a little disappointed that the musty smell is still in it, but still very happy. Okay, so I also got my Prada wallet cleaned and refurbished, so hopefully this has been polished a little bit. This feels quite nice. The leather looks like. What I actually needed replacing was this little tag which had worn out and broken off, and they have replaced that really well. See if it opens. Oh yes. Ah yes, that's perfect. That's exactly what I needed fixed with my Prada wallet. And the zipper is still really good. I love this wallet. It's had so much use, and I can't even remember how much I paid for it. Maybe, I don't know, $500 or $600 originally maybe, but I've really used it a lot and I loved it so much. And the inside is beautiful leather. I love the beautiful soft leather this is made out of. And that's been, so the leather tag and the stitching is perfect. It's really nice. Really happy with that. So it seems to me that Recolab has done a really excellent job on the leather tag that I needed replacing. So that's made that wallet usable for me, reusable, because I wasn't using it, but now I could use it. And mini bags are so popular that I can use this as a little handbag. Also, they've done an excellent job on the repiping and the leather work on the corners of my ostrich bag. So that's, yeah. Let's put some more light on it closer. So that's my 2 items. Very happy with that. I'll be able to use both of them again. Maybe put some perfume in my ostrich bag. I'll spray perfume inside, or I need some ideas on how to get rid of mustiness. I've heard vodka, alcohol. So maybe, I was hoping that Recolab would be able to do that for me, but they've done a very good job of the replacing of the tag.